Children, so far whatever we have discussed, now I will give you the quick revision of all these features. Okay, we will begin from the beginning of what we have done in MS Excel. The first thing was we have learned how to open MS Excel. You need to click on Start button. From here, you have to visit MS Office Suite, and from this suite you will see so many sub options will pop down. From that you have to select your choice that we want MS Excel application software. You click on this, then you will get a window like this. From here you will click on blank presentation. Click on this and then you will see the worksheet window. This is called as spreadsheet. You can see the spreadsheet. We will make the size of the window big. Now we will start doing our work. Children, when we were discussing about formatting, so even putting the heading will come under that. Is it clear? So you will see very minutely what I am doing and observe the settings which I use, or and observe the options which I select. I said I want to put heading. So maybe I want to put here student. I want to put students record. Now, can you see children here? E and F. This is one but student record. Yes, it is one word, but it is taking two different cells. It is showing in two different cells. So you can merge the cell. So this is called as merging of cell. What is merging of cell? Merging of cell means when you merge many cells together. For this, you have to right click and from there you will click on format cells. You click there, a window will appear with some options. You will click on alignment. Can you see? Here you have the option of merge cells. Select merge cells and click OK. Now see, there's a different. Let me apply border to it. So how will you apply border to it? By selecting border option from the font group. See, the second group is the font group. From there, select the more option and click on thick border. See, a border has been applied. Now here I will write the name. I wanted to make a record for student. So here it is students record. Now see, got it? This is different and this is different. All the cells got merged together. Now I will write down some names of the students so that I can make a record and do some calculation. This much I want. So you can change the color, you can change, see, the font size. From here you can enlarge it. Got it? You can apply bold effects, underline effects, but as I've changed the size and color, can you see children, some part of that word is getting hidden? So to bring it back and make it visible, you bring your cursor to the column heading of that column where you want to stretch that column. Make that means you want to increase the column size. So you can increase the column size like this. You will see double headed arrow here. Just increase it. Now you can see we have entered the marks, name of the students in a table. What we will do? We will find out now their total. So first we will change the border settings and apply all border. See, this is the benefit of having all border. So this we have missed. So select again. See, I will show you again. Select all. Click on all borders like this. Now here you will put total and extend the column size. Then here we will find out percentage. So for total, one way is we have learned to create your formula, it starts with equal to sign, and then keep on selecting the cell with plus sign, again the another cell with plus sign, again the another cell you select and put plus sign, again one more cell and put plus sign. Like this you will keep on selecting the cell and add the values. And is it clear? Now you can, this was formula, but this formula is the simple formula. Why it is simple formula, children? Because here we are using here same operator. Is it clear? We are using same operator. Here we are using only plus operator. So this is called a simple or basic formula. But if you add many operators together, like you will add and multiply, or in the same time you divide, that becomes the compound formula. So this is how we will create a compound formula while finding out the percentage. This we have done before also. You pull this down. What is this? It gets added up. There is one more method, children, which I will tell you. That is by the use of functions. What are functions? They are predefined formulas. So what happens when you take function, then directly it will add, means like here when you were taking the formula, you have created the formula, but this type of formula is already added in the function. I'll show you how. You select the cell, children. What do you want? You want to add. So what you want? You want to add. So first select the values which you want to add and one extra cell where you want to display the result. Then you click on auto sum. See, auto sum is a function. You will get the totaling. You want the totaling of all the values. So same way you will select all the values and one column extra and click on auto sum. See, children, you got the answer. Addition is being done for you. Same way we have many functions. You want to know that how many students name we have counted. So can you see here editing group? From here you click on count numbers. See, it will display you with the answer 7. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. We have entered 7 records. So it is showing 7. Here there are 7 numbers. Same way you have simple and complex functions. Apart from this, you have many other mathematical functions also. See here, if you want trigonometric functions, it is there. You want to count the maximum, then I will show you how it will tell. Now I'll tell you how to format. You color it. See, it got changed. Change it. These are the design style it will give to your table. You again see, wait. You want to fill the color. Only this part, heading part, you want to fill with some color. Fill it. You want black. You want. Now let us learn how to create compound formula. In compound formula, you will find different operators. Let us do one. I want to create a formula for finding out percentage. So formula always begins with an equal to sign. Now what I want to add this. So it is already there in the total. Is it clear? Marks obtained upon total marks. So total marks, let us see here. Let us create with this into, you will multiply it by 100. So this is the formula to create percentage. So let us apply here. Equal to, marks obtained here is the total marks. Now you will divide by total number of marks out of total. This is the marks obtained. So total will be 50, 50, 100, 200 and 300. So divide by 300 and multiplied by 100. Press enter. See. So Arya got 76%. So by relative referencing, you bring it down, drag and pull the mouse down, it will get copied. So see, Bharti got 75, Chitra got 75, Nishi got 75, Oshi got 78, Seema got 82 and Geeta got 61. So this is how, children, we find out compound formula. And see the formula, isn't it compound formula? See how many operators are used. Here it is division and multiplication, and both are different.